Before you begin, remove the hand strap and the back plate. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from the system board. Disconnect the ZIF connectors for the LVDS ribbon cable and the touch panel kit. Using a flat-bladed tool, carefully lift the mid-frame cover off of the mid-frame and remove it. Remove the 13 P1 Phillips head screws that secure the mid-frame to the display panel assembly. Carefully lift the mid-frame off of the display panel assembly and remove it. Replacement. Position the mid-frame over the display panel assembly so the cutouts align with the screw wells in the display panel assembly. Push the ZIF connectors for the LVDS ribbon cable and the touch panel kit through the cutouts in the mid-frame. Replace the 13 P1 Phillips head screws to secure the mid-frame to the display panel assembly. Align the mid-frame cover over the sides of the mid-frame and press firmly into place. Reconnect the battery cable to the system board. Reconnect the ZIF connectors for the LVDS ribbon cable and the touch panel kit.